Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some citrus basil lemonade. It's nice and hot here in Texas, dying. And so basically I'm just gonna make a refreshing drink. I've never made it this way before. So yeah. So let's get started. Right here I have lemons. As you can see, they're on paper towel because I washed everything up. I'm actually going to use the zest of the lemon and the oranges. So make sure you wash everything really well. I also have 2 oranges, 1 big grapefruit, 2 limes, and my fresh basil right here that we're going to add right at the end. So let me zest these up. Squeeze your juices. You want the juice from everything here. All the juice. And then we're going to wrap the lemonade up. Okay, you guys, so I zested my orange and lemon. So now I'm just going to juice them right down in here. I'm not juicing directly into the pitcher because I don't want the pitcher to get too messy. Also, I don't want the big chunks of orange. You see like that big old piece right there? I don't want it down in there. So I'm doing it in the bowl so I can gauge what's going on. I really need to get me a juicer. Like one of those things, the electric ones. Because sometimes I get tired of doing it with my hands. But I'm old school, so it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. You're going to juice all your juice down in here. Alright, you guys, so in my picture, I have, let me move back some so you guys can see. I have my sugar and my fresh basil. It's down in there already because I wanted to bruise up a bit while we're stirring. So you're going to take all your juice, your grapefruit juice, your orange juice, your lime juice, your lemon juice, the zest. Everybody goes down in there. Then you're going to take your water. I'm going to start off with 2 bottles of water to see where I'm at. Especially, I don't want it to be too sweet. You can gauge the sugar to however you want it. Alright, so now I'm just going to stir it up. Make sure you taste it to see maybe you want some more lemon juice, grapefruit juice, orange juice, lime juice. You might, especially if you like a slightly bitter tart lemonade, you can add more grapefruit juice. I didn't add a lot of grapefruit juice because I don't want the lemonade to be too bitter. So I'm going to pour this up into a glass and show you guys how I do it when I get back. Alright, you guys, so this is my glass. I put some lime circles down in there. Also some more fresh basil leaves. So I'm just going to take my juice and pour it right down in here for my lemonade. I don't know why I'm calling it juice. Alright, you guys, so this is what my drink looks like. Nice and refreshing, icy with tons of basil because that's how I like it. And yeah, and it's not a strong flavor because, as you know, it's a fresh herb. And it's going to take some time before it actually flavors your entire. This is why I put some in the pitcher. So I'm just going to take my little straw and enjoy my drink with my dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this lemonade recipe. It was easy, simple, and delicious. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.